Hey there guys, it's Joshi again with a new video tutorial in Java programming language. So today we're gonna learn about enumerations in Java. Okay, so what basically are enumerations? Enumerations means a list of constants. If you already have studied C or C++ or you have a programming background, then you might be knowing enumerations means a list of constants. While in C and C++, enumerations are set to only the list of constants, while Java expanded the concept of enumerations to the constructor and method. So it means that you can create a constructor of an enum and you can write a methods inside enums, and you can also create instance variables of the enum. In Java, enum is perfectly treated as a class type, but you don't instantiate an enum using the keyword new as you do with the class type. Okay, you would instead write let's learn with an example. To create an enum, you must proceed the enum name with the keyword enum: apples, red, green, and brown. These are the constants of the enumerator apple. Okay, apples A equal to apples dot red. Okay, now let's just print it. System.out.println A. Okay, let's run it. You can see here red is printed. So this way you create the object of an apple. If you just write down green here and save it, so it prints green. Now there are basically many use of enumerator, so we'll look at two of them right now. Oh, sorry for that, we didn't know to delete it. Look at the if use of enum and switch use of enum. Now if A equals to brown, sorry, apples dot brown I mean, then system.out.println apples are brown, while else apples are not brown. Sorry for the spelling mistake, bros. Okay, so let's run it. Apples are not brown. You can see here because apples is set to apples dot green, because A is set to apples dot green. Now let's look at if it's set to brown. So here you can see that apples are brown actually. So this is how you use an enumerator inside the if statement. Now let's consider it inside the switch case. Now swit switch A case red. System.out.println apples are red. Okay, break case green. System.out.println apples are green. Okay, so here we forgot the S, but it doesn't matter because it's not grammatical lecture. Now case brown. System.out.println apples are brown. Actually, I didn't saw any apple with brown color. Default case. What should we write? Let's write default. Okay, that's it. Now let's save it and run it. Apples are brown. You can see that. Now let's check it out with red. Apples are red. Yeah, and that's right. Apples are red. Now let's check for green apple. Green. Apples are green. Okay. So this is all about enumerator in Java. We'll see more on enumerator in our upcoming tutorials, so stay tuned.